Just in time for the holidays, here's a brand new design of a great tool system. By Armor Tool, this is called the Auto-Jig because it's self-adjusting. Now what does that mean? For whatever the thickness is of stock, you put it in the jig and it self-adjusts the block assembly and the clamping mechanism. And you're ready to go right there. Self-adjusting. And then, if you look right here, see that stop collar? Well, that adjusted the stop on the stop collar, so you just take the wrench that's conveniently locked into the jig right here for storage. You take the bit out, and now the stop collar is adjusted perfectly to drill whatever thickness is, and here's your scale chart on thickness from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. That's color coded. Now what are the colors all about? That tells you for whatever thickness of stock that you're using, here's 1.25 inches, you go to the blue screw. Now these are the square drive and the washer head screw, and you want the coarse for the pine, you want the fine for the hardwoods. That's a very important thing to remember. But the color coding chart right here tells you exactly what screw to use on the thickness of stock. So let's drill the hole. Okay, and one other nice feature on this, there is a block right here that you can pull out, rotate it to change the hole spacing. I'm going to swing that around to a wider hole pattern, lock it back in, and that's great on thick stock, thin stock, gives you the perfect spacing. Now, I'm not using the dust chute here. You can adjust it left or right. You don't have to use it, but it is a handy feature on the new Auto-Jig by Armor. And it's just that simple. How in the world can you improve pocket hole joinery? Armor just did.